What's going on, everybody? So today we're gonna be taking a look at this Black & Decker microwave, and I'm also gonna be putting some butter inside of it while I'm telling you some cool features about it. But first, let's go ahead and chop this butter and put it in there, and we're actually gonna see how good of a job it does to melt it within 30 seconds. So it's kind of like the time frame that I like to see how far I can get in 30 seconds. As long as it comes out, I don't know, we'll judge it in 30 seconds, all right? All right, so here we go. Put that in there, boom, and then we're actually gonna do time cook. We're gonna do 3, 0, and start. There we go. So we're gonna see that go ahead and cook, and then let me tell you some cool things about it. So the first coolest thing is that you can actually go in here and do a weight defrost. That's a really cool feature that this microwave actually has. And then it's just really nice and compact, and you don't have to worry about it not being powerful enough, as you're about to see with that butter. You have a ton of cool presets on here, and then it even has a timer and everything else, and it can display the time, so that's super nice. And then I really just enjoy using this button. It really keeps fingerprints and stuff down. And so look at that, our butter is almost completely melted right there, which is absolutely insane, just showing kind of how powerful this microwave actually is. Super cool. So yeah, I mean, even though it fits the counter really well, like I said, you're not really losing the amount of power this microwave has, which is something that I really appreciate about it. And so overall, I would definitely highly recommend this microwave right here. I'm a huge fan of it.